You know, when there's no way to fly, go boating, ride motorcycles, or do anything, and there are no 71-year-old kids with interests like mine around to play with, sometimes I do things to occupy my mind and have fun all by myself. That's especially true today, as you can see what's happening here outside. Winter has definitely settled in here at West, so besides flying online with my Aerofly friends from around the world, I've also been doing some indoor flying and driving. I had this old slot car track that was in a box that actually wasn't destroyed in the fire, so I decided to put it together and try my hand at slot car racing FPV style. I had two cameras that I recently reviewed, so I thought, I wonder if I could do that with a slot car. It really is like a video game to drive, but live. First I put the track together with the hills, but I found that pretty challenging as the cars are heavier now and hard to judge on the hills, so I made the track smaller and oval. Here's how it went.
Oh, and he's off. Is that cool or what? And my little kitty's over there. She's watching. Are you watching it? Oh boy, what a blast. Well, the things you do in Mr. Herbert's science class.
Well, I can't wait to get my son-in-law Gene over here to race with me. The track looks a lot bigger than it really is when you're looking through the goggles, so it should be fun.